Hey champs! Social media users are increasing every day. Currently, there are over 4 billion people actively using social media. It has also enabled many people to make a living by adopting strategies and building communities on social platforms. In this video, we will discuss 6 ways you can make money on social media. Number 1. Find your niche and market it. Most accounts on social media post random content. That's what sets an influencer apart from an average user. Select an area of expertise and upload content accordingly. Number 2. Keep your account active. Your social account must be visible to your followers. Being consistent will help you gather more relevant followers, encourage engagement, and get noticed by brands. You can take help from an automation and management tool like SocialChamp to stay up with consistency. Number 3. Stay up with trends. You should know what's happening in the online world. Stay updated with and adopt trends that will provide your audience with entertaining and engaging experiences. Number 4. Utilize your current audience. Don't worry about not having hundreds and thousands of followers at the moment. See how you can work with what you have right now. You don't need massive audiences to market yourself. Micro-influencers produce better results because they are perceived to be more relatable. Number 5. Explore affiliate programs. There are several businesses out there looking for affiliates, people who would put their brand or campaign on an affiliate's channels and reach a broader market. Number 6. Sell your own products. Once you have mastered your niche, you can also create your own products and market them on your channel. A product could be anything from paid membership programs and courses to merchandise such as t-shirts and coffee mugs. These are a few ways you can start earning using social media channels. And, of course, we are always out there to make your social media scheduling easy. Best of luck, and see you out there.